Are you ready to start that LLC in Oklahoma? No problem. We'll show you how. We'll walk through the 5 essential steps in setting up your Oklahoma LLC. And guess what? It will take just a few minutes to file. As a bonus, we'll share some shortcuts and tips to avoid common pitfalls and fees. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing a name. First things first, in Oklahoma, naming concerns are the #1 reason many LLC applications are rejected. This most often happens when your name is similar to the name of an existing business. We're sure you don't want your business to be confused with another, which is very likely when names are similar. Pick a name that says something positive about your brand. You want a name that stands out. To help you with that, we have a free tool that will generate some really interesting name options. But make sure you follow these 2 rules. The name must contain either the words limited liability company or limited company, or the abbreviations LLC, LC, or LLC, LC with periods after each letter. The word limited may be abbreviated as LTD, and the word company may be abbreviated as Co. The name must be distinguishable from the name of any other business entity currently active in the state. This means your LLC cannot have a name that's the same or similar to another LLC or corporation or any kind of partnership operating in the state. You can easily verify the availability of your chosen name by doing either a name availability search or a business entity search. You can also check the availability of a name by telephoning the Oklahoma Secretary of State's office at this number or visiting the office at this address. If you've found a name but are not quite ready to form the LLC, you can reserve the name for 60 days by filing a name reservation. The filing fee is $10. For more information on Oklahoma's naming regulations, including important links, visit our Oklahoma LLC Formation page. A quick tip, once you confirm your name's availability, it's smart to secure the domain for your LLC's website. We've negotiated an exclusive, super affordable domain deal just for you. Check domain availability and grab this offer by clicking the link below. It's a wise move to secure your domain even if you're not building your website immediately. Step 2. Finding a resident agent. A resident agent, or sometimes referred to as a registered agent, is a person or business entity who will receive official documents on behalf of your LLC. That includes notices from the government, complaints, and most importantly, service of process in the event that someone sues your business. So the agent must have a street address in Oklahoma. It can't be just a mailing address such as a P.O. box or mail service like UPS. The agent must be a resident of Oklahoma or an entity authorized to conduct business in the state. This means you can appoint a family member, friend, or employee, or even be your own resident agent. The problem with that is that the name and address of a resident agent is information that the Oklahoma Secretary of State makes public. It's information that anyone can access. So if you decide to be your LLC's resident agent, your address will become public information. Opting for a commercial resident agent service will set you back $10 or less per month. Besides offering privacy, a commercial service saves you the valuable time you would have spent on paperwork, allowing you to focus on your business. If you choose Northwest, they'll provide free agent services for 1 year, and you can get an exclusive TRUiC-only deal through the link below. They've been doing this for over 20 years, so they have plenty of experience. They'll actually scan every piece of mail you get and upload it to your account, which allows you to check your mail virtually. At TRUiC, our mission is to offer all our resources and information for free, but we support our work by using affiliate links, meaning we earn a commission on many of the amazing deals we've negotiated for you. Full transparency, Northwest is one such commissioned partner. Step 3. Filing your LLC Articles of Organization. Next up is filing your LLC Articles of Organization with the Oklahoma Secretary of State. This essential document includes crucial details like your LLC's name, its address, the email address of the LLC's official contact person, expected duration of the LLC, and the resident agent's information. The addresses of the LLC's main office and the resident agent must be street addresses. They cannot be P.O. boxes. You have 3 options for filing Articles of Organization: filing in person, by mail, or filing online. To file in person or mail, download SOS Form 0073-07/20, complete it, and send to this address. It's going to be easiest to file online, which can be done by going to the Secretary of State's Entity Filing Portal. Scroll down the page and click on Domestic Limited Liability Company, and you'll be prompted for your contact information to get started. Regardless of the method you choose, the filing fee is $100, but there are some extra charges. For example, filing in person will cost an additional $25. While paying with a credit card will add a 4% service charge. You can pay by debit or credit card from any of the major card networks, such as Visa, Discover, MasterCard, or American Express. You can also pay with a personal check. or a cashier's check, or even a money order. These must be made payable to the Oklahoma Secretary of State. Now, if your LLC was formed in another state, but you'd like to do business in Oklahoma, the LLC will have to be registered in Oklahoma. As before, there are 3 ways of going about this. There's the online method through the entity filing portal. Scroll down and select Foreign Limited Liability Company. You can also file by mail or in person by downloading and completing Form SOS Form 0081-07/20. Here's the address. It's the same as before. Step 4. Creating an LLC operating agreement. Although not required by Oklahoma law, it's highly recommended to have a written operating agreement. An operating agreement is a private contract between members that spells out the most important aspects of an LLC's ownership and governance. This includes issues like membership interests, voting rights, and profit distribution. As you can see, an operating agreement is a vital tool in ensuring that relations between members proceed smoothly and conflict is avoided. In addition, a bank may ask for a copy of the operating agreement along with a business plan when you open a business bank account or apply for a loan. That's because the operating agreement will state who the members are and how much of the LLC they own. To make things easier for you, we've provided a free Oklahoma LLC operating agreement template on our formation page. You'll find the link to that below. We've also included a free business plan generator there too. Step 5. Obtaining an LLC EIN, Employer Identification Number. The final step is to obtain an LLC EIN, which is a federal tax identification number. This unique number allows the IRS to identify and track your business's tax and filing status. You'll need the EIN to open a business bank account, manage federal and state taxes, and hire employees. The process is super simple and completely free of charge through the IRS. Just fill out the online form and submit. It takes like 10 minutes. Post-formation steps. After you've successfully formed your LLC, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Each year, you'll need to file an Oklahoma annual certificate. The filing fee is $25. The annual certificate is a way to ensure that the most up-to-date information on the LLC, such as the street and email address, are on file. Next, keep your business assets and transactions separate from personal ones to maintain the limited liability protection provided by your LLC. If you mix personal and business transactions, which is known as commingling, you run the risk of creditors being able to pierce the corporate veil and go after your personal assets to satisfy your business's debts. This means, among other things, having a separate business bank account and a business credit card. Also, start building business credit. You can find our preferred resources and cards by following the guide below. And don't forget about protecting your business from the many risks it's likely to face. Having business insurance is wise and is very often required by law. Finally, there's the issue of a website. No formal business should be without one. When you're ready to set up a website, consider GoDaddy. GoDaddy is accredited by the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, as a domain registrar, and so is authorized to register website names and assign IP addresses to those names. GoDaddy is another one of our commission partners who help keep our work free for everyone. Before we go, a reminder. A service like Northwest can simplify a lot of these processes and payments, saving time and effort so you can focus on actually running your business. Remember, they'll provide agent services for free for 1 year too. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an LLC in Oklahoma. All the resources mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. We hope you found this video to be really useful. If you have any more questions, explore the rest of our channel and website for free resources and guides to start your Oklahoma business. We've also compiled lists of the best local Oklahoma accountants, lawyers, and registered agents on our site. If you have any questions at all, hit us up.